Welcome to a world where engineering meets pure satisfaction. Today, we're exploring the most satisfying factory machines and ingenious tools that make heavy work look effortlessly smooth. Get ready, because number 5 will blow your mind. First up, the hydraulic plate cutter. With a single press, it slices through thick metal like it's butter. The precision, the power, the clean-cut edges, perfection. Next, the CNC milling machine. Watch how it carves metal with micron-level accuracy. Every curve, every corner, perfectly measured. Engineers call this art with numbers. Have you ever seen a machine sort hundreds of items per minute without stopping? This high-speed sorting system identifies, rotates, and places objects faster than a human blink. Laser engraving machines are always satisfying to watch. The glowing burn paths, the crisp lines, and the instant transformations. It's engineering ASMR. And here comes the star, the robotic welding arm. Its movements are smoother than a dancer. Every weld bead is consistent, clean, and satisfying to watch in slow motion. This machine literally grows metal parts layer by layer. No cutting, no waste, just pure additive precision. The future of manufacturing is already here. Watch how this automated packaging line folds, seals, tapes, and stacks, all synchronized perfectly. It's like watching a factory dance performance. Nothing beats the satisfying crunch of an industrial shredder. Metal, plastic, wood, everything gets reduced to clean, uniform pieces. Which machine was the most satisfying for you? Comment below with your favorite. And if you love satisfying engineering videos, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. More factory magic coming soon.